Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn with Daldarok. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom chocolate wrapper. I'll be using Canva Pro for this tutorial, but do not worry if you do not have Canva Pro. Stick around to the end because I will show you how to create a very similar design using the free version of Canva. Now, the principles that you learn today in today's video will allow you to create a custom wrapper, a chocolate wrapper for any size chocolate, be it your bigger bars or your smaller bars. So let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is set up your custom dimensions. For example, I am using 10 centimeters by 12 centimeters for this project. But keep in mind, your size will depend on what you are wrapping. Always measure your chocolate bar first so that your design fits perfectly. This not only makes your wrapper look professional, but also helps you save on printing and paper costs. Step 2. Now let's set up our rulers and guidelines. Go to File, Settings, and turn on Rulers and Guides. Now, I like to leave about 1 centimeters at the top and bottom for the fold and glue area. This way, I wouldn't accidentally cover the design over the space that will be hidden when folded. I also mark out the center area for my wrapper. That's about 4 centimeters wide. This will be the main front panel where the design shows, while the sides we will fold over. To make things easier for you to understand, I actually worded where the glue would go and where the front design would be. So this will make it easier for you to understand why I'm actually putting guidelines in these specific areas. And yet again, this will differ based on what you are trying to wrap and what type of chocolate you're trying to wrap. But the principles that you learn here today, you can take it and apply to any chocolate wrapper. A good way to get the dimensions for your front panel is to physically measure the chocolate bar. You'll take a ruler or you'll take a measuring tape and measure what is the width and what is the length. And this will give you a good indication of what size you should design your front panel in Canva. Measuring your chocolate bar is very important. If you do not get the dimensions correctly or if your panels are incorrect, some of your work might appear at the back of the chocolate. To make use of the rulers and guidelines option on Canva, you do not have to be a Canva Pro member. You can do this with a Canva free version. If you are looking for specific dimensions for a specific type of chocolate, let me know what type of chocolate you are looking for, and I will maybe consider making it a video in the future. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this page so you don't miss the future content where I will be giving more information based on what the general audience do require. So thank you so much for supporting thus far, and I look forward to you becoming a subscriber to this channel. Okay, so now that you understand the layout, let's move over to the next step. For this tutorial, I'm making a princess birthday chocolate wrapper. I'll start by going to the elements and choosing a light cloud-like background. This gives it a soft look, but yet again, you design it according to your customer's requirements or according to your event and according to your theme. This is just an example, and let's play around with ideas as well, become creative. This is your time to do things your way. Now let's move on to the next step, where we will be adding our font or our greeting to the front of the chocolate wrapper. Now let's create the front of the wrapper. As you can see in this video, I've tried different ways and I played around with different ideas. I first wanted to use the graphics from Canva, but I realized that it would be very difficult to get the exact same font to say Happy Birthday Daldarok. So I decided to use one of Canva's pre-template fonts where it is adjustable. I also added the rectangular background because I wanted the font to pop a bit, and you'll see I also changed around the font colors, and I added images that I thought would be best suited for the design that I wanted to create. So I just wanted a little bit more of a sparkle, so I added glitter to the design and I reduced the transparency. Now, once you're done with your chocolate wrapper design, don't forget to remove the guidelines and rules from your design before printing. Okay, so now this is the end of the tutorial. So if you are on Canva Pro, you can stop watching for now, but I'm going to now move on to show you how we can use Canva free version to create a design similar to this. So thank you so much for watching thus far. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so now I will go to elements, pick the image that I want as a background, and I will find a rectangle shape. The first one I used didn't adjust, so I picked a second one, and then you can change your color. And now we will select the font. So here you can play around with whatever styling you would like, but make sure you can also make use of Canva's free font template. I think that's a really nice feature, especially if you want a unique font size or unique font design. Okay, so I had to adjust the curve level and the size a bit, and then I just tried to find a free graphic as well. You can see there's still a lot of options that are available in terms of the graphics. I just went back to check what my previous wrapper looked like so I can stay more or less in line just for the purpose of this video tutorial. And then I also wanted to add a little bit more of a sparkle, so I found a sparkle glitter, and then you'll see that I had to change the wording a bit from purple sparkles to perfect purple graphics or purple glitter. So you're going to change it a bit, and then you can also adjust the transparency level as well. And then to end it all off, I wanted to add the barcode as well. There is a free version available, and you can add your text. So yeah, that's it for Canva's free version. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know if you have any questions or if you would like me to do another video explaining further or more in depth, or you want me to create a specific custom wrapper for a specific type of chocolate, maybe a small Kit Kat or maybe a chocolate slab. So whatever it is that you would like to learn with Dalzarock, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see my content in the future. Thanks for watching.